This is our Whirlpool refrigerator purchased in January 31st, 2012. Delivered February 3, 2012. Roughly about 2 weeks after it was delivered, it started making this grumbling noise. We have gone back and forth between the retail store and the on-island sales representative to try to rectify the situation. Repairmen have come out and looked and noticed, and it seems to be the freezer unit, fan unit, needs to be replaced. Until they do so, we have been listening to this grumbling noise that progressively gets worse, louder, and more frequent. It's now April 9, and hopefully we've come to the conclusion of resolving this problem, but we have total dissatisfaction with the product and the customer service that we have received here locally in Okinawa, Japan.